At Superhairpieces, we know that everyone has a different level of experience with hair systems. Some people enjoy doing everything themselves. I'm definitely one of those people, while others prefer to have a professional handle every detail, and I totally get that. So that's why we've created 4 different service levels. They allow you to choose the option that best fits your needs, your lifestyle, and your confidence level. Whether you want a factory standard hair system, a few custom adjustments, a fully salon prepared, ready to wear unit, or a complete in-studio experience, trust me, we have an option for you. So you want to find the right size, and no matter which preparation level you choose, we've made sizing easier than ever. We now offer base size templates that can be sent to you before your order is prepared. It's so easy. All you gotta do is compare the templates, decide which one is gonna fit you best, and our specialists will take care of the rest. It's amazing. There's no guesswork, no unnecessary stress, just the right fit. So in the past, I've used different sizes, but right now I'm about a 6x10, and I know this one here is 6x10, so I'm just gonna make sure by putting it on. And that looks great. So once I have the spot where I want my hairline to be, I grab the pen and start marking it off. Awesome. Now once you're done this step, I can start removing the hair. First up, level 1, the factory standard. If you like having complete control over the process, you can choose to receive your hair system completely unprepared, exactly as it comes from the factory. Now this option is perfect for experienced wearers, I might say myself, who prefer to customize, cut, and install the system themselves. You receive the hair system untouched and ready for your own personal preparation. Level 2, size down only. If you want a little extra help, the service takes care of some of the most important preparation steps. With this option, our specialists can cut the base to your preferred size, trim away any excess base material. They can even reduce the hair density if you want a lighter, more natural look. This is a great choice, honestly, a perfect choice for customers who want to simplify the process while still handling the installation themselves. And if you're not completely sure about your measurements, don't worry, we've made that process easier than ever. Level 3, salon prepared, ready to wear hair system direct to consumer. Now this option is designed to deliver a hair system that arrives fully customized and ready for installation. Honestly, this is an amazing option. Our specialists can cut the base to your exact measurements. They can trim away any excess base material. They can even create the haircut of your choice from our wide range of styles, or maybe recreate a look from a photo that you provide. Reducing hair density, if desired, that's also an option here. You can even add clips if needed. We also professionally prepare both the hair and the base with premium protection treatments. They include hair washing, leave-in conditioner. They also include color protection treatment, UV protection, that'll help extend the life of the color in your hair system. There's also anti-shedding knot sealer, antibacterial treatment to help reduce irritation and unwanted odors. You can also choose your preferred attachment method. Whether you prefer liquid adhesive or tape application, we'll prepare your system according to your routine and preferences. The goal is simple, to give you a salon quality experience while enjoying the convenience of having your hair system delivered ready to wear. All right, I wanna show you guys a salon prepared, ready to wear hair system. This system comes fully customized and ready to wear. It's a fantastic option. Comes in the box, and we'll take it out right here. Now this one has been pre-cut. The base has been pre-cut. It's been styled to the haircut that I chose on the website, which is fantastic because you can see all the different options on the website. It also comes pre-glued. So basically you remove the base and it's ready to install. Now that I have my salon prepared, ready to wear hair system direct to consumer, it's time to prepare my scalp for installation. I definitely recommend a scalp protector like this one from Walker Tape. Just gonna open it up and dab it all over my scalp. This is especially good if you sweat a lot or if you have oily skin. Perhaps you live somewhere where it's very, very hot, very important. Next up, I'm going to mark my hairline. I like to use a method with a comb where I just indent on my skin. I'm gonna use the 4-finger method, sit my fingers on the bridge of my nose and just indent my skin like that. And next up, we install. First thing is we're gonna remove the base. Now you're gonna wanna remove it from the back. Best way to find the back is you'll see the numbers. Just gonna grab the hair here and you'll see where it starts to pull off the base and just slowly and gently remove it. Now, if you find it a little sticky, all you need is some just right positioning spray. That'll help you remove it. This is also great if you have any stray hairs stuck to the base as well. And look at that. Comes off smooth. Now, the great thing about this method as well is if you plan on storing the piece for a while, or perhaps you're ordering in bulk or you're ordering a couple at a time, you can actually leave the base on for up to 1 year and it won't affect the adhesion of the glue on the system whatsoever. Now, before I install it, I just want to spray a little bit of just right positioning spray on it. It gives you just a couple extra seconds to move it around to make sure you have a proper fit on your scalp. Now, every spray gives you about 2 to 3 seconds, so you don't want to spray too much, just maybe one quick once over. Now, once you have it installed, it's great to actually take a comb and press down on the hairline a little bit, just like this. Something else I like to do is actually grab a towel, throw it over my head and press down to make sure I'm getting added pressure everywhere. Just like that, you're good to go. Level 4, studio installation. For those who want the complete salon experience, with this option, our professional stylists handle everything for you at one of our locations. From helping you choose the right hair system and confirming the perfect base size to customizing the haircut, preparing the system, and completing the installation, every single step is handled by our experienced team. You simply come in and we take care of the rest. We support every step of the way, and remember, you're never alone during the process. If you have questions about choosing the right base size, selecting the best hair system, or deciding which service level is right for you, our customer support team is here to help. On top of that, we also offer virtual consultations and instant video calls with our specialist. Think of it as an online salon consultation where our team can guide you through the process, answer your questions, and even help you choose the right hair system for your needs. To make your experience even easier, you can also add some of our recommended essential products to your order. We offer carefully selected products for home installation, home maintenance, and reapplication. These essentials help ensure that you have everything you need to install, maintain, and enjoy your hair system with confidence. At Superhairpieces, you decide how much support you want. From a factory standard hair system to a fully customized salon prepared ready to wear hair system, or our complete studio installation experience, we offer a solution for every single wear. Our goal is simple: to make wearing the hair you've always wanted easier, more convenient, and more accessible than ever before. Make sure to visit our website and discover which service level is right for you.